Hello traders, I welcome you to KineFX Academy YouTube channel. My name is Akiala King. I am the lead instructor. Let me congratulate you first of all for taking it this far in your trading journey. And if you are just started, I congratulate you for choosing these skills. Guys, this will be my first video on this channel this year. So there is this particular strategy, or let me call it edge, that I want to give you about boom and crash, which is going to maximize your profit. I don't want to stay long on this video. Let me quickly show you the strategy. The strategy requires you to go to higher time frame. You can decide. It depends on the type of the trader you are. If you're a scalper who took trade on the 1 minute, you should use 30 minutes as your higher time frame. And if you're a day trader who take trade on 15-minute time frame, you can use 4 hours as your higher time frame. So you can see, for people that took trade on 1 minute time frame, I know that is majority of my subscribers. So on 30-minute time frame, we are going to pick out this level. You understand? So after successfully picking out these levels, don't worry, I'm going to explain how you pick these levels before I end this video. So that is why you need to stick to the end of this video. So after picking out these levels, you should go to 1 minute time frame, which happen to be the time frame that you trade. So what are you doing at this time frame? You understand? We have successfully picked those levels on 30 minutes time frame. Now at this level, you wait for price to come to that level, and you wait and you look out for immediate structure. In this particular scenario, this is immediate structure. And what are you looking for at this immediate structure? You wait for breakout of that structure, and then you enter in the direction of that swing. Let me explain once again. You can see that this particular trade is going up and it touched this our green zone. First of all, let me tell you, this zone is calling possibility zone, that is P zone. P zone, possibility zone. And why is it possibility zone? Is that whatever anytime that price come to those zone, there must be a reaction. Most of the time when price come to those level, there should be a reaction. And as a day trader, as a retail trader, we react to the market conditions. We don't have the power to choose direction for market. You understand that? So as I was explaining, the price come to this possibility zone. You understand? What are you looking for? Get note of this, that boom, we sell, and a crash, we buy. So as the price get to this zone, you look out for the immediate structure, which is this. Then you'll be waiting for the break of that structure. After a 1 minute candle close below that structure, you enter for sell immediately. That is for boom. You enter for sell. You count 10 candle, 10 complete, 10 to 15 candle, because until price get to the next structure, you can also trade until price get to the next structure. And when price get to the next structure, you look for a price to go back to that zone again. Then you wait for the break of the middle structure again, and you look for sell again on boom. You understand? So if you can hold from here, you will see, and you can withstand all these scenario here, definitely you are going to get to the next structure and you're going to make a lot of profit. But you can just count 10 to 15 candle and you will be okay. You understand? Let's look for another scenario. Make sure you look for sell on boom. You understand? So I'm going to show you how to catch spike with this strategy too. You just have to stick to the end of this video. You understand? So you can see this scenario now. The price come here and it started falling. First of all, this will be the immediate structure here. You understand? But there's another one that happened before that time. So you just enter from here. You understand? So if you still count, your 10 candles still complete before this spike begin to occur. That is just how it works. So sometimes it comes easily and sometimes it adds stress. That is how our strategy is. So there's no any strategy that comes easy. So you can see another one here. This is break of structure. Initially, these are break of structure we are looking out for, but before then, we have another one, and this one that is the immediate one. I don't think you understand what I'm trying to explain. When price come to this region, this is the immediate structure. But before price get there again, it creates another structure. This will be our immediate structure. We'll be looking out for breakout. When the breakout happen, count your 15 to 10, 10 to 15 candle. That is how easy the strategy is. So let me quickly show you how to pick those levels. You understand in markets move in this manner. Impulse move retest, impulse move retest. That is for uptrend and downtrend like this. But in markets, that is how we should have it in mind that market move. But there are some certain things that happen when it comes to market movement. You could see something like this, then market continue, market do like this, market continue. So you look out for that structure, that spot whereby price has touched more than two times in the past. You understand? Look out at this line, you see that price has touched here, price touched there, price touched there, price touched there, price touched here, price touched. So where the price has been touched minimum of two times, you pick those level, because anytime price come to those level, there's going to be reaction. You understand? That's why you need to pick out those levels. So if you can successfully pick out those levels, you are good to go on 30-minute time frame. Then you go to a 1 minute time frame just to find the entry as already explained. You understand? So in this scenario now, I will be patiently waiting for price to break here for price to break here, then I'll go for sell. You understand? So the next video I'm going to drop is how to use this strategy to catch spike. You understand? So guys, I wish you happy trading and always trade responsible. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any video we drop on this channel. And also I'm going to drop how to use this particular strategy for volatility market. You understand? The entry for volatility is different from the entry in this particular boom and crash. So guys, till then, always remember to trade responsible.